Hey everybody, my name is David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. And today, I'm not going to be talking to you about surplus funds, okay? I want to talk to you today about doing the things in your life that you don't want to do. Currently, I'm in my car. I'm sitting outside of this vacant house. I told this seller I would meet with them about 2 weeks ago. Okay, it's a little bit after 9 a.m. It's about 34 degrees outside. I'm about 45 miles away from my primary residence. This is arguably like the worst part of the metro that I live in. It's super cold. It's Sunday morning. I don't want to be here, but I don't mind sacrificing my morning for an opportunity to where probably on the loan I'd make like 60 grand on this thing. Okay, like the thing you guys got to understand is that in life, you're going to have to do a lot of things that you don't want to do. It might be too cold. It might be too hot. It might be too far. You might be exhausted. It doesn't matter, because you just need to go out there and do those little things to get the job done, because you and I both know shoveling all those tasks onto the next day isn't going to fucking get you anywhere. Like, you should be ashamed of yourself when you go to bed at night and you look at your agenda and you have it marked off every single piece. Okay. I'm doing what I don't want to do, you guys. I do the things on a regular basis that I don't want to do so I can do whatever the fuck I want to do, when I want to do it, how I want to do it. Okay. I remember a couple years ago, I was sitting down with one of my friends that's a Navy SEAL, and his son had just graduated high school, and he was giving him some life advice. And the life advice was pretty cold and bitter. And he goes, "Hey, Kevin, come over, sit down." He goes, "Well, I just want to say congratulations for graduating high school. And I just want to let you know something. However far you get in life, it's all on your shoulders. You're a little fish in the ocean. And if you want to swim 1,000,000 miles out, you can do it. If you want to swim 10 miles out, you can do it. But your destiny is all going to come down to the factor of your mindset and what you think you deserve and what you're willing to sacrifice. I'm sacrificing sitting on the couch right now watching Life for Sale. Life for Sale is probably one of my favorite YouTube channels. And that's kind of what I have allotted to do. Sunday morning, I spend about an hour watching just dumb shit that just makes me laugh, that I think's hilarious. And the list goes on and on and on. Like, there's lots of other things I could be doing, but this takes priority. You guys, we are in a time and a place right now with this pandemic to where there are all sorts of excuses. Oh, I couldn't get a hold of the lady at the District of Ohio Unclaimed Funds Department. I don't know what to do. I'll just wait. Well, no, there's a workaround for it. You guys got to learn to become more resourceful with the things that are in front of you. Like, you can't always use an excuse. An excuse, it's one of those things, it's so pathetic. I mean, I'm 33 years old. When somebody tells me that they can't show up on time, or that they can't complete a task, or they can't get something done, when it's like the easiest thing in the whole world, it just blows me away. And it almost makes me look down on them too, because there's people out there I know that are handicapped and paraplegic. They're out there running Ironmans, and they don't have any fucking excuses. So why the hell do you have one? Okay, I'm not going to sit here and go on a rant and a tangent all day long. But it's pretty simple, you guys. Do you want this? If the answer is no, then unsubscribe to this channel and stop watching this shit. Okay? Now, if you guys want to make a whole lot of money and really change your life, you guys have zero fucking excuses. You guys, my name's David Wilkerson. Go out there and do all the things you don't want to do. I promise you, they will pay huge, huge dividends. When you wake up in the morning and you worked out too hard the day before and you're a little tired and you don't want to go on that walk the next day, like you said, go and do it. Do all those little things that you promised to yourself that you would do, because you deserve it. You guys deserve the best. You guys, my name's David Wilkerson. Thanks for watching this channel. And all the videos that I post. Thanks for liking all the videos, and until next time, take care.